Hi, and welcome to the Sleep Your Way to Mastery workshop. I've designed this workshop for the sleepless heroines out there because I was one of them, guilty as charged, and particularly for the heroines living in the city that never sleeps. This is going to be your 60-minute high-performing sleep blueprint design. So your first mission, join me Friday, December 19th at 12 p.m. New York Eastern Time, and we're going to craft your own. This is for you, the woman who does it all, but you're feeling tired all day. You're cranky and moody. Because let's face it, we all know sleep is important, but I think we don't really know the real cost of sleep deprivation, particularly for women, and the global pandemic that it has become. Because in the US alone, 1 in 3 adults report insufficient sleep, with women reporting frequent insufficient sleep. And insomnia is about 1.5 times more common in women than in men because sleep deprivation affects women differently and a lot more than men. But now I want you to visualize a future you, the masterful sleep heroine. Sleeping Beauty wakes up feeling refreshed, full of energy, and with clarity of mind, because that's what's possible when you realize sleep is a high performance state. And that is the hidden treasure we're going to discover inside this workshop. I'm your mastery coach. And for those of you who don't know me, I am a personal development nerd and also a burned out corporate executive. And as I reached my midlife running on fumes, well, I dove in and trained on high performance and emotional well being. Biohacking sleep was one of the first big game changers for me, along with cycle syncing, my hormonal cycles. And this is how we play this game. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to play full out and craft your own high performing sleep blueprint with me inside this workshop and reclaim your sleep superpower. And if you play this game right, your winnings are countless. And here's a peek inside the magic, what we're going to look at inside this workshop. We're going to look at the right timing to sleep. What does it mean to go to sleep deaf, blind, cold, hungry? Powerful rituals and neuroscience tools that fortify your sleep for those sleepless nights. And what you get inside this workshop is the sleep blueprint that elite performers use, your own worksheet that we are going to personalize together, a personal feedback on your sleep hygiene audit, access to this workshop for a lifetime, and you can ask me any questions during our live coaching. So, are you ready to jump right in and join me Friday, December 19th at 12 p.m. New York Eastern Time, and we can design your own high-performing sleep blueprint. I hope to see you inside, and let's make some magic together.